Do you know what he said? I wasn't thinking. I went to put away a glass container that we have with lids. So like all of our Tupperware, which is really glassware, is in one area of our kitchen. And I went to put away one of the items that was had the lid and the bottom together. And I noticed other items that were in there weren't where they normally should be. And so I knew that my husband was the culprit. And so I asked him, I was just curious, like, why did you put this container here instead of over here? And I just wanted his input, like what was going through his head, like what was he thinking about? And do you know what he said? I wasn't thinking. I didn't think about it. I knew it belonged in that cupboard, and so that's where I put it. He never gave it a second thought of where in that cupboard it should go. He always knows where to find it, but he didn't realize that there is a system inside the cupboard where he should put every single size or type of that item. So we had a nice conversation, and my first reaction was like, oh, you don't care? What do you mean you don't care? But really what he was saying is like, that's just not something he thinks about. So something for you to think about is when you're getting frustrated with your spouse or your kids, it may just be that they don't see what you see. So you have to walk them through it. So what I did was I said, so this is how I have this organized because I thought it was obvious. It's obvious to me, so why wouldn't it be obvious to anyone else that looked in there? I do small, medium, large, and then the extra large are in the very front. Once I explained that to my husband, he was like, oh, well, yeah, that makes complete sense. I can put things away that way. But until you have that conversation, they're just not even going to think about it. It has nothing to do with you. Don't take offense. Don't be resentful. It's really literally just that they don't think about those kind of things, and that's okay. But if they're open to hearing like your process and how you've designed the cupboard, for instance, and once they understand it, they can absolutely follow it. So sometimes when you make changes in your home, it's so important to walk through it with your family. If they're the ones that are going to be maintaining it for you, walk through it with them. So just remember, it's not that they don't care, not at all. They just have other things that their brain focuses on. It's that simple. So don't forget to walk your family through any processes you've put in place. It's not always apparent. It's not always easy to spot. So just because you see it doesn't mean they see it. So you definitely need to communicate and get it out there and explain your thought process after you've changed something up in your home. All right, I hope this helps.